Warm wishes to everyone. We know that learning is a continuous process and we start learning the things even before our birth and we continue learning till our last breath. And all these years we have been told or we have been learning the things which are there for our syllabus. But that's not true. We have a lot of opportunities or a lot of things to be known. So other than our routine curricular syllabus.
Bodhivriksha Academy is doing a very good job in the field of personality development and all-round development of the students. Not only for the students, it is also considering the students of all areas, and even a layman also can take the benefit from this academy. This academy, the courses they are offering that will help in the career of the students and throughout the life, how to manage the stress and how to face the failures. So this academy is doing a very good job for the upliftment of the students in the today's scenario. So I wish them a very good luck in the future endeavors on behalf of our Science Center. Thank you.
So all these years we know that we are feeling that the employability is not there. We have a lot of unemployment and all that. That's not true. Actually, we have a lot of opportunities for those who think out of the box. And this Bodhivriksha gives us opportunities to think of out of the box, and we have a lot of opportunities right from the age 12 to many years. Means even after the post-retirement also we have the plans or programs how to go for financial management and all that. So likewise we have a lot of opportunities, and I appeal everyone to go through the website of Bodhivriksha and see how best we can make use of the various plans or programs out of it. Thank you.